Hi friends, I am Berutti. I have worked as an endodontist for more than 35 years. And all of you know that only endo means retreatment, surgical and not surgical retreatment. In my experience, I have found that many cases can be solved only thanks to the endodontic surgery. For this reason, I'm strongly convinced that we must incorporate the surgical retreatment in our daily practice. The introduction of the operative microscope has changed the endodontic surgery in endodontic microsurgery. Until now, there was no real kit of instruments dedicated to the endodontic microsurgery. Thanks to Ufridi, I designed with my colleagues and friend Damiano Pasqualini a kit of instruments dedicated to the endodontic microsurgery.
I've been working with Elio for more than 20 years. I am an associate professor in endodontics at the University of Turin Dental School, and I've limited my practice to micro-endodontics, surgical and non-surgical. The instrument kit we have created together is inspired by simplicity and efficiency. The operator immediately perceives confidence with the instrument while using it.
There are two more features that can make the difference by comparison with the other instruments available on the market. First, the long shank of the instrument improves visibility, in particular under a microscope. And second, all instruments are made of XTS technology, a dark and opaque alloy. This alloy doesn't reflect light, and this means no stress for the operator's eyes.
Each instrument is clearly identified by a color code according to a specific operative sequence. In this way, the operator can easily recognize the instrument and make the communication within the surgical team easier, fast, and effective. This instrument kit was designed to simplify microsurgical endodontics, in order to offer to the clinician an extra option for the treatment of severely compromised teeth for a better comfort and health of the patient.